We are going to tell you 10 things you need for smooth skin. In the search for beautiful skin, I know you have tried several things, but nothing ever seems to work. We are here to help you out. Here's a list of 10 things that you should do that will greatly improve the appearance of your skin. But first, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. 1. Water. It had to be our first one. I know you've heard this plenty of times, but it is true, drinking water does not only quench your thirst, but it keeps your skin looking beautiful. It is recommended that you drink at least 2 liters of water every day. Our body is made up of 80% water, and it is required to help maintain a physiological balance. Well-hydrated skin will have a beautiful complexion, the pores will reduce in size, and it will be toned. Instead of drinking that fizzy drink filled with sugar, just take a glass of water. It's hella cheap, and your skin will thank you for it. 2. Eat healthy foods. The appearance of your skin is a reflection of what is going on inside you. We all love our fries and pastries, but they won't be of any help in getting that beautiful skin that we all desire. Try healthier options, get to understand what you like and don't like. Eating healthy shouldn't be stressful. Once you get what you like, gradually work on including more healthy options to your diet. Your skin will be gorgeous in no time. 3. Get enough sleep. They do not call it beauty sleep for nothing. It is recommended that you get at least 7 hours of sleep every night. You will definitely notice a change in how your skin looks. If you keep on going to bed late, you will simply start getting all wrinkled up. Let us not mention the baggy bags under the eyes. Sleeping enough is important, as this is the time that our cells get to regenerate. Get some sleep and your skin will thank you for it. 4. Protect your skin from sunlight. It is said that sun damage causes 80% of the signs of aging on the face. It makes your skin appear wrinkled, freckled, and contributes to skin cancer. Use sunscreens that protect against UVB and UVA rays. You can also avoid going out when the sun is at its peak. If you must go out, use your hat. Remember to wear sunscreen even when it's cold outside. 5. Try a face mask. Face masks are a great way to detox your skin outwardly. They help clear all the toxins, and if you have acne-prone skin, it can help you clear it up. It can also be a great way for you to relax. Wouldn't you love to have 5 minutes all to yourself? You can read your favorite book or take your cup of tea or coffee while you wait for your mask to dry. You can get your mask at the store, or alternatively you can make your own. Get a mask that addresses your problem areas. For example, an aloe vera mask would be great if you have dry skin, as it helps you lock in the moisture. 6. Get to know yourself. Take time to study your body and face. Our body gives us signs when things are not okay. Get to know what is normal for you and what is not. You will know when to take action. This can mean going to the dermatologist or creating your favorite mask. Going to the doctor is always recommended. We have seen things going from bad to worse when you are trying to fix it yourself. It will never hurt to get a professional opinion. 7. Avoid hot baths or showers. A soak after a long day can be very relaxing, but it can also be damaging to your skin if the water is too hot. Constantly taking hot showers can cause damage to your skin by robbing it of its natural oils. It can cause the skin to appear red, itch, and even peel. To cope with the dryness, your skin can overcompensate in oil production, which can eventually lead to acne. Turn the temperature down, always use lukewarm water, and keep your showers to a maximum of 10 to 20 minutes. While in the shower, also avoid harsh shower gels. They can strip your skin of oils as well. Use gentle soaps that are fragrance-free. 8. Sanitize that phone screen. Our phones are one thing that we can't imagine living without. But have you ever thought that it can be bringing harm your way? Have you recently started getting rashes on your cheeks? Your phone can be the cause. Scientists say that the average phone has more bacteria than a toilet seat. Can you imagine that? The bacteria, combined with facial oils, toxins, and makeup residue, can clog up your pores. Reduce the contact of your phone with your face. Try using Bluetooth and voice assistants as much as you can. Most importantly, wipe down your phone with antibacterial wipes. Make this a routine and you will see a difference on your face. 9. Moisturize regularly. Maintaining water in your face is essential for that glow. Moisturizers are great for reducing water loss and creating a barrier between your skin and the environment. Hot or dry weather can suck the moisture right off of your skin. This causes your skin to be dry and irritated, which can eventually cause breakouts. There's plenty of moisturizers out there to match your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination skin. There is a moisturizer out there that can help sort your problem areas. This can be reducing your pores or reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation. 10. Get your body moving. Having fair skin calls for you to get some work done. You need to get at least 30 minutes done every day, 5 days a week. Working out can reverse the signs of aging. It will help your blood pump. Post-workout glow is real. Just make sure you hit the showers once you're done with your workout. Not washing your face after a workout can be damaging, as your sweat combined with your facial oils can easily clog your pores. In summary, it is important to take care of your body for you to have that glow that we all desire. Take time out of your busy schedule to create a routine your skin will truly reflect. It's not something that happens overnight. You have to be consistent to see the results. We hope you've learned at least a thing or two from the video. Share the video with your friends if you have found it interesting. We would like to hear from you in the comments section. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting daily videos.